Tonight, your brain is secretly eating itself. Yes, really. And it all starts with just 4 hours of sleep tonight. You think you are fine. You drink your coffee. But inside your skull, a quiet catastrophe is already unfolding daily. Most people ignore this warning sign. They pride themselves on the grind. They think sleeping is for weak minds. But science shows a terrifying truth. Your body is paying a massive debt, and the interest rate is very deadly. What if I told you that 4 hours is actually a poison? A slow, creeping poison directly to your brain. Look at this simple curve on my chalkboard. Your cognitive performance drops like a stone after one bad night now. Your focus is gone. Your memory is failing. And you do not even realize how slow you have actually become. So, let us look inside. Let us see the damage. This is what 4 hours of sleep does to you. Meet adenosine. It is a chemical. It builds up in your brain every single minute you stay awake now. Under normal conditions, sleep clears it out. It is like a biological vacuum cleaner for your own neural pathways. But 4 hours of sleep leaves a massive residue. Your brain is literally swimming in toxic, dangerous molecular waste tonight. This is your brain's exhaustion debt. You cannot pay it back with a simple weekend nap. It accumulates incredibly fast. Let us look at the amygdala next. It is your emotional control center. And it goes completely wild here today. Without deep sleep, its connection to the prefrontal cortex is severed. You become highly reactive and also very angry now. Every minor inconvenience feels like a massive crisis. You snap at colleagues. You cry at sad little commercial ads. Your brain is operating in survival mode. It thinks a predator is chasing you through the ancient, wild jungle now. Meanwhile, your prefrontal cortex is shutting down. That is the area responsible for making logical, smart, mature adult decisions. You buy things you do not need. You eat terrible food. Your willpower is entirely gone by noon here today. Look at this chalkboard drawing of a synapse. The signals are moving incredibly slow, like heavy traffic in rain. Your reaction time slows down to match that of a drunk driver. But you still feel perfectly fine, right? That is the scariest part. Sleep deprivation blinds you. You literally cannot perceive your own rapid mental decline today. You think you are killing it at work, but you are actually just making countless stupid, easily avoidable mistakes. Let us talk about your immune system now. It takes a massive, direct hit after only 4 hours sleep. Your natural killer cells drop by 70%. 70%! That is your primary defense against deadly, aggressive cancers. Your body is open to every virus, every cold, every disease. You are walking around completely unprotected here now. But then, something far more dangerous happens. Your brain begins to take matters into its own hands right tonight. It forces you to take micro-sleeps. These are brief, uncontrollable episodes of sleep lasting up to 15 whole seconds. Your eyes might stay wide open, but your brain is totally offline. You are temporarily dead to the whole world. Imagine this happening while you are driving. On the highway, at 60 miles per hour, it is absolutely terrifying. Your car travels far without anyone steering. This is how thousands of fatal accidents happen every single year now. But wait, it gets even worse. Your brain starts to eat its own neural connections, a process called phagocytosis. Glial cells, which usually clean up waste, start digesting healthy synapses. Your brain is literally consuming itself here today. It is trying to clear the backlog of trash. But it is destroying your hard-earned memories in this process. Your childhood memories, your language skills, your daily plans, all of them are slowly being chewed away right tonight. You are trading your cognitive future for a few extra hours of useless late-night scrolling on your own phone. Let us look at insulin resistance now. Your body stops processing sugar properly after just one bad night here. Your cells reject insulin. Your blood sugar spikes. You are temporarily in a pre-diabetic state by the early morning. This is why you crave donuts. Your body is desperately screaming for quick, dirty energy to stay upright today. You eat the sugar, crash, and feel even worse. It is a vicious, endless loop of absolute physical misery daily. Your heart rate remains elevated, your blood pressure rises. Your cardiovascular system is under constant, brutal, damaging physical stress. The blood vessels lose their elasticity. They stiffen up. This drastically increases your personal risk of a sudden stroke. Most people think they can adapt to this. They claim they only need 4 hours of sleep, completely naturally. But they are wrong. Less than 1% of the entire population has the gene for short sleep cycles. The odds are high that you do not have it. You are just slowly, silently destroying your own entire body. Your genetic code is actually changing. Gene expression for stress, inflammation, and tumors is heavily turned up here today. Now for a mind-blowing fact. Your brain has a specialized plumbing system. It is called the glymphatic system, remember? It only turns on during deep sleep. It washes away toxic, dangerous proteins associated with devastating, progressive Alzheimer's disease. When you sleep only 4 hours, this wash cycle is cut short. The toxic plaque remains stuck deep inside. It builds up year after year, like rust on an engine, until one day, the damage is completely irreversible now. Your brain actually shrinks, literally. MRI scans show significant neural volume loss in chronic short sleepers over time. You are losing brain mass. The very thing that makes you smart, creative, and uniquely you is fading away. Let us do some math. If you sleep 4 hours, you lose 3 hours of crucial REM sleep here today. REM sleep is when you process emotions. It is when you integrate new knowledge and solve complex mental problems. Without it, your creative genius dies. You become a highly predictable, slow-moving robot with absolutely zero original thoughts. Your testosterone levels also plunge. Sleeping 4 hours ages your hormonal profile by a whopping 10 full years now. You feel older. You look older. Your skin loses its collagen because growth hormone is severely suppressed overnight now. The dark circles under your eyes are not a badge of honor. They are a silent cry for help. Your body is literally begging you to stop, but you keep pushing. For what? Another email? Another online video? Consider this shocking statistic. Daylight savings time cuts just 1 hour of sleep from millions of people every year. The very next day, heart attacks spike by 24%, just from losing 1 single hour of sleep today. Now imagine what losing 3 to 4 hours every single night is doing to your poor, fragile human heart. You are living on borrowed time. Your biological clock is ticking faster and faster toward a sudden physical collapse. Your DNA is literally unraveling. The protective caps on your chromosomes, called telomeres, are wearing down extremely fast. Shorter telomeres mean a shorter lifespan. You are literally trading years of your life for empty, useless waking hours. This is not a drill. This is a scientific emergency happening inside your cells at this very exact moment. So, how do we fix this? Here is what leading neuroscientists recommend to save your rapidly dying brain today. First, establish a strict sleep schedule. Go to bed at the exact same time every single night now. Your circadian rhythm loves consistency. It prepares your body for deep, restorative sleep long before you close eyes tonight. Second, banish all screens from your bedroom. The blue light tricks your brain into thinking it is bright noon today. It completely blocks the release of melatonin, the hormone that signals your body it is finally time to rest. Third, keep your bedroom cool. Around 65 degrees Fahrenheit is optimal for deep, restorative sleep phases here tonight. Your core body temperature must drop to initiate sleep. A hot room keeps your brain alert and awake tonight. Fourth, avoid caffeine after midday. It has a half-life of 6 hours. It lingers in your brain for long. Even if you fall asleep, caffeine ruins your sleep quality. You wake up feeling absolutely exhausted the next morning anyway. Fifth, get bright sunlight in your eyes first thing in the morning. This sets your biological circadian clock perfectly. It stops melatonin production and starts the timer for tonight's sleep cycle. It is incredibly easy and totally free. Sixth, do not lie awake in bed. If you cannot sleep, get up and do something quiet instead. Only return to bed when you are tired. You must associate your bed with sleep, not mental frustration. These simple changes can add years to your life. They will restore your focus, memory, and overall happiness. Your brain will thank you. Your body will thank you. You will finally feel alive once again here today. Tonight, you face a choice. Will you continue to burn the candle at both ends and suffer silently? Or will you respect the biological machine that keeps you alive? The choice is entirely up to you tonight. Remember, your brain never forgets a debt. It will collect, one way or another, sooner or later now. Do not let a stroke or dementia be the bill. Sleep is not a luxury. It is completely non-negotiable. If you found this video eye-opening, please hit that subscribe button right now. Share this with a friend today. They need to hear this warning too. Let us spread the word and save some brains together, right tonight. Leave a comment below with your average sleep hours. Let us see who is surviving on too little today. And remember to check out our pinned comment for a quick science quiz to test your new knowledge today. Because tonight, your brain will try to clean itself. Do not cut the cleaning cycle short once again now. Sleep well, protect your synapses, and watch your brain thrive. See you in the next fascinating, hyper-insightful video.